Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever created a table in Google Sheets and noticed those little bits of placeholder text showing up in your columns, and you're just not sure how to get rid of them, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove that placeholder text, leaving your tables looking clean, polished, and professional. Let's dive right into it. So imagine you're working with a Google Sheet where you've either set up a smart chip table or used some of the table's features Google's rolled out recently. These tables sometimes show placeholder text in empty rows, kind of like those faint add value prompts you might see. Those placeholders can be helpful to guide new users, but if you're preparing a report or sending the sheet to someone else, they can be distracting or just unnecessary. Here, how you take control and remove them. First things first, find the column where you notice the placeholder text appearing. This is usually visible in empty cells and it'll typically appear a bit grayed out compared to your actual data. You'll want to move up to the very top of that column, that's the column header. For example, if your header says status or due date, hover your cursor over the header cell. Now look carefully, on the right side of that header box you should see a little drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow. This drop-down gives you a menu specific to that column. Google Sheets has added more and more features for each column, and this menu is the gateway to customizing how the column behaves. What you want to look for is an option called Edit Column Type. Click on that. Sometimes people miss this part, so don't worry if you need a second to find it. It's usually just a couple of items down in the list. Once you click Edit Column Type, a sidebar or pop-up will appear with extra settings that control how this column displays and interacts with data. Now here's the key part. Look towards the bottom of these settings. You should see an option that says Show Placeholder. By default, this might be checked, which is what's causing those placeholder texts to show up in your empty cells. Simply uncheck this box. That action instantly tells Google Sheets, hey, I want to keep this column clean, no suggestions or prompts please. You'll probably notice right away that the placeholder text disappears from that column's empty cells. If your table has multiple columns with placeholders you'd like to remove, just repeat these steps. Click the header dropdown for each column and uncheck Show Placeholder. It's that straightforward. One little tip, if you have a big table and want that neat look everywhere, just take it one column at a time. And don't worry if you accidentally uncheck something else. You can always open up the Edit Column settings again and toggle it back on. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Google Sheets table should now be free from that faint placeholder text, making your spreadsheet much easier on the eyes and ready to share. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I read every one and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical Google Sheets tips, and I'll see you in the next video.